To rename a photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are two ways that you can do. First, from the Gallery app. To do so, open Gallery app and then open the photo you'd like to rename. Swipe up the photo from the bottom to go to the details page. Tap Edit. Erase the original name. And then type the new name. Now tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the selected photo has been renamed. Second, from My Files app. To do so, open My Files app. Navigate to the folder where the photo you like to rename is in. Long tap the photo. Tap More icon at the bottom right. And then tap Rename. Erase the original name. And then type the new name. Now tap Rename to save the change. As you can see, the selected photo has been renamed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.